Whisk. A tool used for mixing or whipping ingredients. She used a whisk to mix the eggs and sugar.
My whisk and say, here's my whisk.
She whisked, balled, and breaded.
You like it when I whisk, huh?
Done. I'm just gonna give him one quick whisk here.
Give me that. You're not fit to hold the whisk.
Grater. A kitchen tool used for shredding food like cheese or vegetables. Can you pass me the grater? I need to shred some cheese.
Cheese grater!
Man, technology's amazing.
The automatic cheese grater!
I'm gonna go home, shave my head with a cheese grater while...
Is that my cheese grater? Wait, is that my...
And I helped him pick out a top-of-the-line cheese grater at Williams-Sonoma.
Rolling pin. A cylindrical tool used for flattening dough. She used a rolling pin to make the dough thin.
And roll briskly with rolling pin. Knead gently but firmly.
Robot! A rolling pin?
You're not a trumpet or a rolling pin, then no.
Look at all these old photos and several rolling pins.
Ladle. A large, deep spoon used for serving soups or sauces. He poured the soup into bowls using a ladle.
Lot of ladles, lot of ladle.
He scoops with a homemade ladle.
I need a ladle. You got a ladle?
We have a ladle. Right, guys, we're out of ladles.
He poured him into an antique soup ladle.
Tongs. A tool with two arms used for gripping and lifting food. Use tongs to flip the meat on the grill.
Get the tongs.
I'm gonna use the tongs.
What are you using, tongs?
The back, that salad man, plate man, tongs guy.
Except for this half of my salad tongs, but
Spatula. A flat tool used for flipping or spreading food. She used a spatula to flip the pancakes.
Spatula City! Spatula City!
The golden spatula.
With a spatula?
Spatula City, we sell spatula.
Hydrodynamic spatula.
Strainer. A tool with small holes used to drain liquids from food. He used a strainer to remove the pasta from the water.
Strainer face! I've got a spaghetti strainer in the kitchen.
strainer from the kitchen.
Goddamn strainer face.
Place strainer basket inside the bowl.
Peeler. A tool used to remove the outer skin of vegetables or fruits. She grabbed a peeler to remove the potato skin.
With a potato peeler.
Enough!
Vegetable peeler. Pipe bending jig.
Fenton ghost peeler.
Fruit peelers.
You know what? Shell crusher, skin peeler.
Colander. A bowl-shaped tool with holes used for draining food. She poured the boiled pasta into a colander to drain the water.
That's not a pan, it's a colander.
Yeah, I'm in a colander, wait.
What?
All I got left's a colander and a pie pan.
Harley, bring the colander.
I told you not to eat chili out of the colander.
Chopping board. A flat surface used for cutting food. He placed the vegetables on the chopping board before cutting them.
Okay, on these chopping boards.
Chopping carrots. Chop, chop.